Bismillah ar-Rahman Rahim. Good evening, boys. Thank you so much for your participation during the class. Let us summarize all the important points of today's lesson. And today we have finished the fifth and the sixth lesson of the first unit, and we are going to do the exercise of unit number 5. Sorry, lesson number 5. How the moon was kind to her mother. So here is a question number 2. Read and listen the story which we have already done. And how was the moon kind to her mother? Because the moon brought the part of her supper for her mother. And in question number 3, read the first part of the story below and match the words with the correct pictures. So here we can see the pictures and who is the mother, who is sister, aunt, sister, uncle, and sister, right? So let me write it for you guys. Here, this is wind, so it is sister, right? And this is the star, mother. Here, this is the sun, so also sister. And moon is also sister. Weather, the thunder and lightning. So thunder here is the uncle and lightning is aunt. This is how you're going to write on your books. So moon and sun and wind. These are the three sisters. The star is the mother. Uncle is light and uncle is thunder and aunt is lightning, right? Let's move forward. Then we can see the questions here. Question number 1 is who invited the three sisters to supper? I'm going to show you the answers of these 3 questions. Thunder and lightning. So the answer of first question is what? Thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning invited these 3 sisters on supper, right? Question number 2, what did the 3 sisters eat? So what they eat ice cream, cakes, and fruits, right? They eat what? Ice cream, cakes, and fruits. And the next question is, where did the moon hide part of her supper? So the moon hide part of her supper in her long white fingers, right? Then we have question number 4 here. Let us go down. That how were the sun and wind unkind to their mother? They were because they were greedy and selfish, and they did not give her any of their supper. That is the answer of question number 4, because both of these sisters, the sun and the wind, they were greedy and selfish, and they did not give her any of their supper to their mother. That's the answer number 4. Let's move on. Then we have here question number 5, 6, and 7. Question number 5, what happened because they were unkind? So what happened to them? The sun will burn everything and people will need to cover their heads when she appears, the sun. And what happened with the wind? The wind blowing in the heat from the sun and will be very unpleasant and no one will love them anymore. So this is the answer of question number 5, this one. So you need to write these answers on your notebook, right? And then question number 6, how was the moon blessed by her mother? The moon was blessed because she will be cool and calm and beautiful and people will love her, right? So that's the answer of question number 6. Question number 7, look at the pictures, use the text to describe the characters. This is what we have already done, right? So the sun is gold and beautiful with yellow hair. She is greedy and selfish, and people don't like the sun because she's hot. So here is the case with the wind. The wind is also greedy and it is so unpleasant. Let me write it here for you. The wind is selfish and greedy. It is unpleasant, right? Okay, the moon is cool, calm, and beautiful. The moon is cool, calm, and beautiful. All right, this is how you can write here the answers of question number 7. Let us move on. Question number 5, take a look, match the words in blue in the text with the meanings, right? So address here, nice, dinner, thin, and not nice. Let me show you what are the meanings of these words. Dress mean gown, right? Nice, pliant, dinner, supper, thin, slender, not nice, unpliant. So you are going to write this question on your notebook as well. Question number 5, right? Take a look. Dress, gown, nice, pliant, dinner, supper, thin, slender, and not nice mean unpliant. And the question number 6, think about how you could be kind and helpful to these situations. So this is over to you guys. Think about it and you can write the answers in your own way. A blind person is standing at the zebra crossing, waiting to cross the road. Obviously, you're going to help him to cross the road. Your grandma is trying to carry heavy bags up the stairs, and you are going to take the bags from grandma, and you can go up to the stairs. This is the kind of help you're going to do with your grandma. Your friend can't do her maths homework. You can help if you know. And your little brother is crying because he cannot find his teddy. You can help him to find his teddy. This is how these are some situation. Then the last lesson of our unit number 1 is choose a project. And in this lesson, what you're going to do, that out of these 2 projects, you're going to choose one. And right, a special person in my family, what we are going to do here, draw the 3 word clouds on a piece of paper like this: adjective, activities, and helping others. You can do any other. And in the first word cloud, write adjectives which describe the person in your family, right? And in the second word cloud, write the activities that this person likes doing. In the third word cloud, write the words to describe how this person helps other people. Adjective means he's kind. Activities he's perform, activities he's performing, that he does the chores during the day. He helps, right? And helping others, how he is going to help others. And it depends upon you how you can write the answer. That for example, if you're choosing a father in your family, right? So you can write how your father helped others, like your grandma, like your like his kids and other family members. So use the ideas to have you have brainstormed to write the 3 short paragraphs describing what the person in your family is like, and why they are special. So here you can write, you can start like this: my mom is very special because she loves us. And in the second project, compare and contrast the lives of 2 people in the unit. So look back through the unit and find 2 people you would like to compare and contrast. For each person, answer these questions. So if we go back, we can compare the life of Tom Daley, right? In this lesson, sporting talent, you can compare the life of Tom Daley and Camila. We have gone through these both lessons. So how you can compare their life? Let's see. You need to answer these questions. Where is he or she from, and how old is he or she? Here we know that if you're writing about Tom Daley, so he's from Britain, right? And how old is he's 18 years old. And where does he or she live? So we can write about the Camila. Camila lives in Patagonia in Argentina. And whereas the Tom Daley lives in London. What is it like where she or he lives? So we can say, I would suggest instead of Tom Daley, you can compare the life of Jeremiah and Camila, right? It will be great. So Jeremiah lives in Nairobi, in a small village. Nairobi is the capital of Kenya, right? And what sports activity does he or she like doing? Jeremiah likes to play football, whereas the Camila, she likes trekking and tennis. And what is her daily routine or his daily routine? We have seen the Jeremiah's daily routine that after he wakes up at 5 o'clock, then he goes to school. After the school, he fetch the water from the tap, and then he does his homework. This is how. And we have seen the daily routine of Camila as well, what she does. And after coming back from her school, she does her homework, and she help her dad to feed their animals. And if she gets the time, she also helps her mom in cooking. Write about their lives, compare and contrast the information using whereas, both, and to, right? So it is up to you. I would suggest to you guys to go for the second project. It's quite easy. So complete this project and you can send me on my WhatsApp. This is it for today. I'll see you in the next class. Take care and goodbye.